Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we've got this full width video background section. If I refresh this page, you'll see that there's no content there. It's going to come in after 5 seconds. It's going to take 5 seconds again to fade in. Then after it's faded in, we've got another one coming in after another 5 seconds. And again, it's taking 5 seconds to fade in. And there's no coding involved in this today. And we've also worked this out for mobile phone too. If I hit my F12 key, I'm using Google Chrome with the inspector tools here. We've put a little different video in the background of this one for mobile. I'm going to refresh the page again. And as you can see, it's going to load with the video first. After 5 seconds. First module is going to take 5 seconds to appear in, and the second module 5 seconds after that. Really nice little thing to have on your website. Really easy to do. Like I said earlier, no coding involved in this today at all. So let's get started. I'm going to enable my Visual Builder. Let's just go down. I'll start a new section. I'm going to use a regular section. Of course, you can use full width if you want to. I'll just chuck a couple of columns in there. And before I go any further, let's just delete this top section. Great. So I've got a little section here. I'm going to throw in a couple of modules. I'm just going to add them from my library for expediency. I think that's the one I used before. And we'll add one here as well. I think I had a little contact form or something there. There it is. Great. Now, of course, you can make this as big or as small as you want, but I'm quite happy for it to be about that size, which is about half the screen size on this device. So let's go and put the video background in. I've gone into the blue tab for the section there. Background's always under content. We want to add a video, which is the 4th tab along. I got my videos today from a site called pexels.com, P-E-X-E-L-S.com. Great place for free videos and stock photos. There's the one I downloaded, and it's a very small file size, which is great. I think that's the other one that I grabbed right there. Just roll your mouse over. It's going to show you what the video is going to do. Okay. Well, I've got my videos. I'm going to hit the little plus to add a background video. Mine are already up here. As you can see, it's pretty small file size. 3 megs, that's sort of borderline for what I'd use. Wouldn't want to put it any bigger than that. And do try not to use too many videos on your site. It will slow it down a bit. But they're great for impact. So I'm going to throw this one in initially. I haven't changed any settings or anything. I'm just going to pop it straight in there. As you can see, it's thrown it behind our little section there. Fantastic. So let's just save that. Okay, so what we want is for this page to load, as you saw, and we just want to see the video for 5 seconds. And then we want this module to roll in. And then after it's in, we want this one to start to roll in. Really easy to do. Like I say, no coding involved in this today at all. And after I show you this, I'll show you how to switch videos on mobile if you need to. So I've gone into my little module here. I'm going to go over to Design. You roll down to the bottom, you'll find Animation. I'm going to switch it from None to Fade. It'll give you a little example there. It's looking a little funny trying to do it over our video there, but it works fine on the front end. Okay, so with our fade, animation duration. Well, I want it to take 5 seconds to roll in. If you slide the slider up and it goes up to 2, just type in whatever value you want right there. So I actually want it to take 5 seconds to fade in, kind of like that. But I want it to delay by 5 seconds. So we've got 5 seconds of just looking at the little video once it loads. So let's put 5 seconds in there also. So nothing for 5 seconds. Then it's going to take 5 seconds to fade in. I know it didn't there on the back end here, but it will do when we roll onto the front end. That's great. Well, let's just save that one. We'll go into this one. We're going to do a similar thing. Over to design, animation. I've got my settings already saved in here. So again, it's 5,000 milliseconds. And I don't want it to start now for 10 seconds, which is 10,000 milliseconds. By 10 seconds, the other one will have faded in fully. And we'll have this one start to fade in over 5 seconds. Great. Well, I'm going to leave mine just like that. Now, we can check this on tablet and mobile by hitting our little purple button here. Let's have a look on tablet. Roll back up to where it is. I think that works okay, that video background on tablet. That does actually work on mobile, but I think I'm going to change it for a portrait size one, because sometimes you'll find that these landscape shape videos will not convert very well on these devices. So I'm going to go into my section, blue towel on the section, and of course you can edit in whichever size, screen size you want to. You can build from mobile up if you want to with Divi, which is great. So let's go into our background here. Let's roll over the dark writing where it says background. This is important. What we need to do is roll over that till the icons come up, hit the little mobile phone type icon, select the size you want, which is phone, and we can add a background video just for this size. So I'm going to click on the actual video. I've got a little portrait shape one here. I'm going to go ahead and upload that. So we've uploaded this one for our phone size. If we go back to tablet, you may find on the back end it'll show the wrong one, but on the front end it should change over fine. And we'll go back to desktop as well. Let's save our changes here. Save draft or publish if you're ready. We'll exit the visual builder. There we've got our video, 5 seconds. First module is going to start fading in. Fully faded in about now. Second one should start fading in. Fully faded in about now. Fantastic. And of course they can click on these, read them, submit the little form there. Let's have a look now on mobile. It should be a different video. I'm going to hit my F12 key. And here we have it on an iPhone. As you can see, we switch videos out there. If I refresh this page again, we'll get the video first. And then after 5 seconds, you know what's going to happen. Fantastic. And the other one should roll in any second there. Perfect. There you have it, guys. There's how to make a full width video section and have some modules fade in over time. And also change the video on mobile devices. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you have any questions, pop them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make a little demo video just like this one. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignDetectives.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.